Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Gianna, back at it again with another video. I have to be a little bit more quiet because my mom is sleeping. I don't want to be too loud. It's 1:17 in the morning and I'm bored and I feel like recording. So, yeah. Sorry that I haven't posted in like 3-4 months. Yeah, sorry. I was watching that. Yee! Okay. Yeah. I'm recording. Say hi. Yes. Okay, guys, let's play Roblox. Wait, so Nikki! No! No! Nikki! Okay, yeah. The clown killings. Hello. I just had soda, and now it hurts my nose. Oh my. Anyways, the intro that I just had, yeah, he made it for me. Thank you, Jordan. I can't stop watching it, and I love it. No, I'm too loud. Crap. My mom is in the room right next to me, but you know, the walls are separating us. And also, my brothers are awake. We stay up till like 4 a.m. or 5, or just don't even sleep. Yeah. I woke up at like 1 p.m. yesterday. No! Don't even call me mate. That's my thing. Yes, over the billboard, like always. I feel like singing, but I'm not going to in front of the camera. So, yeah. Too embarrassing in front of the camera. Oh, yes! My favorite map. No, not really my favorite map, but one of my old favorite maps in, like, history of the clown killings. I used to be, like, totally addicted to this game. Like, it's actually crazy. Yes! I did it! Whoa! Yes, there he is. There he is. Jordan! I look sucky. Yeah, I I hate myself. No! Yes, that's much better. Dance it. Oh, crap. Oh, what do you mean? That's a No, stop. No, I'm too scared. Dude, I'm shaking right now. And I'm really cold. So it like sucks. Yeah. God, the shivers, I'm so cold. I need to put myself in shit. My bed's a mess right now. I'm just gonna lay here. No, don't leave me here alone. No. I saw the colors. No. I feel like brushing my hair because it's so soft. But now I don't want to because I'm too lazy to. Yeah. Dude, it was just right freaking there. It was just right freaking there. Dude, no thank you. No freaking thank you. No. Anna, stop texting me. I see clowns right there. Right there. Run! Turn off the notifications. It's right there, it's right there, it's right there. Oh my god. No thank you. No thank you. Oh my god, so scared. My voice is not freaking hot. I'm actually sick right now, so my voice is not hot. Ew, gross. Also. Should I do a face reveal? Because me and my friend did a vlog at Disney 2 days ago. And we had to stop recording early because it started raining. And because the waits were so long, they wouldn't let us record in there. No, thank you. Why do I sound like a freaking little kid? Oh, no, girl, you better run. I'm scared. I'm too scared. Oh my god. I'm very emotional. The music makes me tingle. No, don't do the no. No, thank you, dude. I don't like this already. I don't like it. I mean, I like it, but I'm like too scared. Dude. I almost fell. Did you see that? And I went off of there and then went, like I jumped off, but then I, went straight over here and then... Dude. Yes! Let's go! I was just naked. Yes! Hi, Jordan! Hi. It's yawn. I'm still yawning. Okay, that's better. I only got like 5 more minutes left, but you know, I'll still. Yeah. Frick, no! No, thank you! I'm probably making a part 2, like, after this uploads. So. Oh, no! Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no. Or, Jordan, I know you can't hear me like at this very second, but if you freaking kill me, Jordan's calling freaking Gianna. Just call me Gianna. Ow! This hurts. I swear to God, he freaking kills me. Hi! Hey. Hi. Keep going, mate. Cause if you kill me whatsoever at any time in this game, you're dead. Cause I'm at the top of the board and I know every single hiding place. I know every single hiding place. Yes! Nikki joined! Whoa! Jordan, you take so slow to type. No offense, but you do. I'm sorry. Go down here, mate! Don't freaking kill me. You were so close to killing me, dude. No! Oh my! Oh my! That freaking scared me. Why did I just sound like a freaking little girl? I don't know. Not me! Dude, it looked like you were trying to chase me. Oh my god. Thank the lordy lords. Nikki! Hi. Why am I making little kid noises? I don't know. Thank you very much. Frick. Why can he get it the first time and like not me? Nope, can't do it. Oh, okay. Come on, mate. No, okay. Up here. There's definitely at least somebody up here. Nope, nobody's in here. One last place. And I know where that is. Over here! I'm so helpful. Yes. Okay, well, I only have like a few seconds left, so. Bye, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Oh, no. Up here. Up here. Lock it. You obviously don't know how to kill. Okay, you know. But, you know, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and comment. Yeah, thank you. Love you guys. Bye.